how to make some tire chains. What I'm going to do today is show you how to make some tire chains for this tractor tire. This is a 20 by 10 by 8, and I used tape to mark on the sidewall where I want the corners of the chain to be. On this side, yeah, it's top, bottom, right, left. On this side, yeah, it's at the 45s. Now, take a tape measure and measure from one side to the other, and I see it comes out about 20 inches. So I need to make the cross lengths 20 inches. Okay, what we're using right here is some twist link chain with zinc plated. It's number 20 by 75 feet. It's $1.14 a foot at Home Depot. And we pull it off of there, move it away. Okay, now what we've done is we've marked two lines on the board 20 inches apart. That represents the length between or the length of the cross lengths. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the screw in right here. The purpose of this is to get the chain to lay flat on the face of the tire. You don't want it twisted, because that's going to make a high spot. It's going to make that link wear out faster than the rest of it. Oh, I got too loose. No, that just purpose here is to make all the cross links the same length. Get the twist out of them so that it lays flat. All the cross links are the same. Same twist, same length. It keeps your ride flat and bumpy. This has been pre-trimmed. Did this once before. I know what length to cut it. So this link right here was right there, and I cut it off with the angle grinder to leave a little bit left on the spool. I guess pretty good at the store. Okay. Now, to put the tie wraps on these, what you have to do is you have to put one up, one down, and each one of these junctions between the two screws. And you just have to push them just far enough to get them to start to ratchet. So it's just a little bit. Okay, there's the first one. Slide it up on the screw. And down. One goes up. These are standard 14-inch tie wraps. Again, Home Depot. It's, I think it was $36 for 500 of them. So I got a whole bunch of them. I'm not too worried about wasting them because I think they're about 7 cents a piece. They're not real expensive. One up, one down, and you have to make sure that the side with the ridges goes towards the side with the ridges, because if you don't, they don't latch. Okay, so those three. Now we're going to go up here and do these. Okay, there's one up, one down. Started. down. Get started. Oh, didn't click. Means I got it flipped. So started. Done this so many times, my fingers are getting tired. Okay, put one up. Down. Together. Now, what we have right here is we've got 3 pair there, got 3 pair there, and this is a quick link. It is a quick and easy connection. These are zinc plated. You can get these also in stainless steel, but since it's zinc plated chain, I just wanted to match it. Take these end 2 screws out and use this to connect the 2 free ends of the chain to one another. And then we take all the screws out. Okay, all the screws are out. Now over here you've got, okay, so we grab ends number 1 and 4 from on this end, and we take those up and we throw them over the top of the tire. Now over here we've got the 2 ends that were joined up at the top of the quick link, and that one has to go all the way down here. To finish the installation, they have to put the 2 tie wraps in, one from the left, one from the right, and this attaches right here, and this one attaches right here, and then this is the part where you do it, making it easy to do it off the vehicle, is to make it easy for the cameraman. You've got the same thing right here. So you got 2 more tie wraps, one from the left, one from the right. Oops, one from the left, one from the right. And you slip those in, and you leave the thing a little bit loose. Now I'm going to put it on the ATV and show you how to do it on there. That would complete the installation on the lawn truck. This right here is the same position that I did with that tire up there on the back, except for this is in place on the ATV. And so I've got this end right here, and I have to run 1 tie wrap from this side and 1 tie wrap from the other side.
Okay, your head's in the way.
Now that's the problem with the doing it in place. This one goes like this, and this one comes down here. Like that. Let's see, once it's on, then you can spin it a little bit, get them situated around, and tighten them up so that they sit on there tightly. And it's all tie wrapped, so you just kind of zip them together. Yeah, all I'm doing is I'm just snugging them up. Okay, So those we're gonna have to go give those a try.